Welcome. I am the creator of a game called Money Dash. In the last video, I showed you how to create the parallax effect in your 2D scrolling game. In this video I will show you how to create an infinite background for your endless auto runner or scrolling game. The first thing is to check the approximate size of the camera. Next we check also the size of our smaller layer. Now, we set the width of all our layers, making sure the width of our smaller layer makes minimum 3 times the width of our camera. After that, we add my infinite background script. There is the script, you just copy it into your own infinite background script, and that is all. Since I made this script for my auto runner game, it just scrolled to the right. Let's test and see how every layer will move to the right in the scene view, while in the game view, we will not notice it. That is it, it works fine. Now it's up to you to adjust it to your own needs. If you found this video helpful, consider to subscribe and like, so you help others to find it.